Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to crochet this stitch. It uses chains, single crochets and double crochets, so nothing complicated. It's a repeat of only 4 rows. It doesn't have a front, it doesn't have a right side or a wrong side. So this is one side and this is the other side. You're gonna pick which one you like best. I would probably pick this one since the rows of double crochets are facing me. On this side we have the shells facing us, but because the double crochets are occupying, I think that the eye is drawn more towards the double crochet instead of the shell. I would probably pick this side to be the right side. The yarn that I'm using is the same, the yarn Baby Bee Sweet Delight and Celery. It's a light number 3, requires a 4.5 size hook, but I'm using a 4.25. If you're ready to learn how to crochet the stitch, give this video a thumbs up, grab your yarn, crochet hook, let's get to work. The pattern calls for multiples of 10 plus 4 at the end. Here I have 24. We will double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook, 1 2 3, into the 4th we'll put 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. The chain 3 in the beginning counts as a double crochet, therefore we have 3 double crochets into this stitch. Chain 3, 1 2 3, skip 4, 1 2 3 4, single crochet into the next, chain 3, skip 4, into the next we'll put 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, everything into that chain. So double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, 2 more double crochets, and there is our repeat. Chain 3, skip 4, single crochet into the next, chain 3, skip 4, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochet into the next. Well, since this is the end of our row, we'll put 3 double crochets in it, just like we started. 1 2 and 3. And there's what we have. Turn the work, row number 2, chain 3, that counts as our first double crochet, 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 double crochets, so 1 into the next and 1 into the next. Move into here, into the single crochet, and put 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. So double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, 2 more double crochets, double crochet and double crochet. And there is, okay, it's not the repeat yet. So now we are going to move into these, so you're gonna skip the chain 3, so double crochet into this double crochet of the next shell, double crochet into the next double crochet, double crochet into the chain 1 space, and 1 double crochet into the next 2 double crochets. So you have a total of 5 double crochets, and you worked 1 in each piece of the shell, into the double crochets and into the chain 1. So from here your repeat will start. Then you're gonna move into the single crochet and put 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, and then move into the next shell. Same thing, you're going to put 1 double crochet into the double crochets and into the chain 1 space. To finish off the row, we'll skip the chain 3 and put 1 double crochet in each of the double crochets from the previous row. And here, when you chained 3, you will put a double crochet into the 3rd chain at the top. And this is row number 2. Turn. For row number 3, we will chain 1 and single crochet into the 1st stitch, chain 3, and same here, you will either skip 4 or move straight into the chain 1 space. Either way, however you count, it's easier for you. You can either skip the 4 and work into the next, or kind of move into the chain 1 of the shell and work 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets in it. 2, chain 1, and 1 and 2. So this is what we have. Chain 3, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet into the next. Here, if you are also, if you want to not be counting, see the group of 5 double crochets, it should fall into the 3rd, right into the middle. And that's your repeat. Chain 3, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or move into the chain 1 space of the next shell and work 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. All the way till the end. Chain 3, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet into the next, or here into the 3rd chain from the beginning of the previous row. And this is what we have. Turn. Row number 4, chain 3, counts as a double crochet, 2 more double crochets into this 1st stitch for the total of 3. Okay, now skip this, the chain 3, move into the shell, so you'll put double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet. So double crochet into the double crochet, into each of them, then into the chain 1 space, then 1 into the next 2 double crochets. Then we're skipping the chain 3, moving into the single crochet, put 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Skip the chain 3, move into the shell, so double crochet in each of the double crochets and into the chain 1 space for the total of 5. And move into the single crochet and put 3 double crochets in it to finish off the row. And this is what we have. Chain 3, counts as a double crochet, 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. So this is going to be the repeat of our very first row. All right, chain 3, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet into the next, and you can see these are the same. So this pattern is a repeat of 4 rows total. Okay, so now chain 3, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's your next one. We'll put 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. same here, and so on till the end of the row. Chain 3, skip 4, 1 2 3 4, single crochet into the next, chain 3, skip 4, into the next. You will put this 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, but if we're finishing, you already know we put 3 double crochets. So now we'll turn and we'll repeat row number 2. Here we started with chain 3, 1 double crochet into the next, 2, then we moved into the single crochet and put 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, and so on. Skip the chain 3, move into the next shell, double crochet, double crochet, into the chain 1 and into the next 2 double crochets. Same thing, and so on. 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets into the next stitch, or into the next single crochet, not into the next stitch. You skip the chain 3, and here we'll skip the chain 3 and put 1 double crochet into each of the double crochets. So that's the repeat of row number 2. You can tell exactly. So to not make mistakes, you're kind of going to be looking if yours are aligning perfectly. So that's what I like about this stitch, you know, when everything matches and it's symmetrical and perfect and parallel. All right, turn the work. Now we will repeat row number 3, chain 1, single crochet into the first stitch, chain 3, skip 4, 1 2 3 4, and we're here in the middle, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 3, skip 4, single crochet into the next, and it's falling into the third double crochet of the 5 double crochet group. Okay, so everything is aligning perfectly. Chain 3, skip 1 2 3 4, brought us into the middle of that shell. Into the chain 1 we are working 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, and chain 3, skip 4, single crochet into the next, in our case into the last. Turn the work, repeat of row number 4, chain 3, 2 more double crochets into this first single crochet, moving, skip the chain 3, moving into the shell, 1 double crochet into the double crochets and into the chain 1 space. So 2 into the chain 1 space and 2 in each of the double crochets, like this. Skip the chain 3, into the single crochet, we'll work 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Skip the chain 3 and move into the next shell. So same thing, double crochet, into the chain 1 space, and then 2 more into the double crochets. and skip the chain 3 to finish off the row. 3 double crochets. Oh, what is this? Okay. We're just gonna have to work with it. Don't you hate those yarns when have these things in? So these are the 2 repeats, rows 1 through 4 and 1 through 4. Let me add with white and see how it works. I don't know what would be best, to have a repeat of the whole 4-row shebang, like the whole 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and then or alternate each row. Let me see what I'm gonna do off camera and I'll be back. So it looks like, well, pardon this mess, you will take care of yours, and once you block it, it's gonna look better. But it looks like alternating every 2 rows with different color will give you this effect. I mean, I don't know, I prefer it a solid color, but if you have different colors of the same yarn, you can use it. So this is it, pretty easy repeat of 4 rows, and it's a kind of semi-open stitch, so you can still use it for some spring or fall projects. Other than that, yeah, it's pretty versatile. You can use it as for garments, as for scarves, and like plenty of stuff, even for a lightweight throw. Let me know down in the comment section what would you use this stitch for. And other than that, you guys take care, stay healthy. I'll see you next time. Bye.